Look at my eyes. You think I could deny that I wasn't gardening already? Hi guys! I feel like I haven't talked to you in forever, and I wanted to properly sit down and say hi to you guys. Today's little vlog is just gonna be me chilling tonight. I'm having like a little night in. I've been gardening all day if it wasn't obvious. It's gonna be like a little stoner vlog. I took a shower and did my skincare and now I'm making dinner. I really wanna watch a movie, but I also have to wipe down my nightstand, so let's do that first and then we'll continue dinner.
Looks like low tide.
Look at that shit. That's really fucking hot. That is so fucking good, are you kidding me? I'm gonna go pick a movie and I'll see you in the living room. We're gonna garden before we eat. That one hit me back. Cheers. I always forget that I have DVDs, so I picked out The Craft, Hereditary, Stick It. Do you guys remember this movie? I love this movie. I think I'm gonna watch it, guys. I think I have to close this blind, guys, to make it spooky. Ooh! I'm watching it right now, but I can't finish it because one of my friends is coming over in like half an hour now. We're gonna sesh and hang out for a little bit, so I might do a couple days of vlogging. I will see you in the morning. Good morning, guys. I'm so tired. I need coffee. Loving putting lavender syrup in my coffee. I fell asleep watching Emergency Intercom last night. I don't know. Okay guys, I'm gonna garden and then I'm thinking we'll make breakfast. I just made the mistake of finishing 2 bowls by myself. Yeah, I don't... I need to make breakfast. I'm so hungry. Okay. I'm gonna get up. Look at my eyes. They look crazy. Oh my god. I just know this is gonna be fire, bitch. Con un poco de tapatío. Ay, ay, ay. I'm going to take a big old bite of this. Fire. I could just fall asleep right now. I got called in to come into work for a couple of hours, so that's what I'm gonna do. I don't know if I'm gonna be able to vlog over there because I don't know how busy it is gonna be. If I don't get to vlog, I will see you when I get home. Just got home from work. I stopped at Target on my way so I could pick up a couple of things that I needed. I ended up working 5 hours, which is more than I intended to, but that's totally fine. I didn't expect them to call me in today, so that's why I was smoking so much. I got a lot of work done, so I'm gonna put this away. I'm gonna spark up, I'm gonna make dinner, and I will see you later. Since I got home from Target, I've just been sitting on my couch shaking ribs on my bone. I just dropped my fucking pen. I'm high as fuck, yo. I need water. Where's my water? Okay guys, I found my water. Oh my god, I love water so much. Do I look high? Let me know. I'm not very hungry. But it's dinner time. So I'm heating up a hot pocket and I will see you in bed probably because it's time to go to sleep. Good morning. It's barely been an hour later. I'm already faded as fuck. It's Friday and I still have to edit this video to post it tonight, so I'm gonna be ending the vlog here. But thank you guys for spending a couple of days with me. I hope you enjoyed. Make sure you comment, subscribe, and do all the things, and I'll catch you in the next one.